Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 48. Imagine these are 10-pin bowling pins and we are looking at them from above. Can you move 3 pins to different positions so that the flat base of the triangle is below and the pointy end is at the top? That is, the triangle faces the other way. So in other words, when you look at the new triangle, it actually looks like this. So that gives you an excellent idea what you have to do. Now if you'd like to pause this video now, you're quite welcome to do so, and you can attempt the solution yourself, but I'm going to move on now and we'll have a look at the answer with a very brief discussion. So here we go. So here's the original shape here. If you remember, the triangle was pointed down this way, and if you remember from the previous slide, I wanted you to change that around so it looks like that. How do we do it? Well, let's have a look where the new shape is. We see that we have a 1 right up the top. Now the 1 was here, remember? That 1 was here in the original shape, so we take the 1 from the bottom and we take it right to the top. That is above the 8 and the 9, so we put it there. Okay, so that's where we put the 1. Alright, now what do we do next? We notice the 7 is here, so see this 7, we take that 7 there, and we position it over here. See that? Right there. In other words, we position it to the left of the 2. Okay? Now, see this 10? Now in the original one, the 10 was here. So we take the 10 and we position it to the right hand side of the 3. Okay, so they're the 3 that you move. The 1, the 7 and the 10, the 1, the 7 and the 10, and look what's happened. The triangle now faces the other way. I wonder how you went with that one. It's a very, very interesting problem to do with shapes.